Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's take a tour of Burj Khalifa at the top. This is a dream for me, and today I got an opportunity uh, to fulfill my dream. Let's go to Burj Khalifa. So before we go to Burj Khalifa, I will tell you some interesting facts about Burj Khalifa. As all of you must know, Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Is over 8 to 8 meters tall and it holds more than 160 stories. Burj Khalifa holds the following records. It's the tallest building in the world. It's the tallest freestanding structure in the world. It has the highest number of stories in the world, highest occupied floors in the world, highest outdoor observation deck in the world, elevator with the longest travel distance in the world, tallest service elevator in the world. Now we are entering the Dubai Mall. This is my ticket for Burj Khalifa at the top. We're going to go to 124th and 125th floor, where 124th floor has the highest observation deck, open observation deck. Now this is my biggest dream, and now it's coming true. So this is the elevator. It is the fastest elevator, and you can reach the 124th floor in just 1 minute. So we are going up. So now already, look at the number. It's just going up by every second. Now we are at 124th floor. Now we are entering the observation deck. Wow! All of these buildings look so small, and it looks so awesome. So I'm speechless now. On to 125th floor through stairs. So it looks really scary. I am scared of heights. So here we are. To visit Dubai, this is a must place for you to visit. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye friends.